Hey guys, so today our topic's going to be choosing the right artificial turf. I'm going to explain the face weight and Dallas install pricing and then a little bit of turf maintenance. So, if you don't know me, this is Nick Ogilvie. If you're looking for artificial turf and you're already getting quotes, you've probably noticed two things. One, everyone's price is all over the place. And two, everyone claims their turf's the best. Let's clear this up. Not all artificial turf is created equal. The biggest mistake I see homeowners make is choosing turf based on looks alone or price alone. The right turf should be chosen based on how you're going to use it, whether it be dogs, kids, heavy foot traffic, putting greens, shade, drainage, all of that matters. So let's talk about what face weight really means. You'll hear installers throw around the term face weight. Face weight is the amount of yarn measured in ounces stitched into the turf per square yard. Here's the truth. Higher face weight usually means denser turf. Denser turf feels more realistic and durable, but higher face weight alone does not automatically mean better turf. What really matters is the fiber quality, the stitch rate, the backing strength, and drainage. I've seen high face weight turfs foil because everything else was cheap. Is higher face weight worth the money? So, is higher face weight worth the money? Okay, yes, if it's paired with quality construction. If not, you're just paying more for something that might flatten out, heat up, or fail early. Now, why does Dallas turf installs price vary so much? Well, this is a little confusing because of that. One, it's going to be turf quality. Two, base prep depth. What's the drainage system? And labor experience, infill materials, and warranty or lack of one. Some installers cut corners underground. You don't see it until a year later, and they're gone. I call them the chuck in the truck. I've been in this industry for over 20 years, and I can tell you this. The base and the product matter just as much as the install itself. So that's why here at Lux Blades, we're not called cheap blades, we're called Lux Blades. We're more expensive. And one last thing most installers forget to talk about is the maintenance. Once your turf's installed, go check out Turf Product Solutions. That's where you're going to find the Turf Power Sweep and a Turf Animal Enzyme Cleaner and everything you need to keep your turf looking new for years, not months. If you're investing in turf, protect that investment. Choose the right turf, choose the right turf installer so that you'll do it correctly, and maintain it the right way. Guys, I'm Nick Ogilvie. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the page. Have a great night.